Hi guys, Christina here. Welcome to my channel, Magic Travels. Today I'm at Epcot for a sneak peek of Remy's Ratatouille adventure. I am so excited. My time slot opens in like 10 minutes. This is the first time I've ever gotten to see like a new Disney ride before it's ever opened. I'm really excited. Let's head inside. Got a print out of my thing. It literally wanted me to print it out, which is so funny to me. Or that was the recommendation.
Magic Banner ticket out and ready to scan up ahead.
Thank you. Let's try this line. Perfect. You are all set. Thank you. I'm in. I'm so excited. This new part of the park, I've only seen it from the gondolas if I take the Skyliner. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at this fountain. There's only a 15-minute wait right now. I can probably ride it more than once. Walking in. Ooh, nice fan. Inside now, and the wallpaper is subtle but cute. You can see the little rats in the Eiffel Tower. It's right. It's really cute. They have more line space than they know what to do with. I'm sure this will be full soon. This is interactive too. When I walked in, I could see them up there. Almost there. This is so exciting. Oh, we need 3D glasses. I'm coming into this completely blind. I've never watched any POVs of this ride, not even the one in Paris. So I didn't even know that 3D glasses were involved. I wanted to be surprised. This is so awesome. I like how everything now looks way bigger. The light's reflecting, but it's like from a rat's point of view. I've been coming to Disney basically my entire life. Normally I come here for a mouse. This is the first time I've ever come for a rat. So this is a 3D ride. I don't know how well I'll be able to record since I want to experience it myself. But I'm still gonna try. Woo!
Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what to prepare? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Et tout est en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Bienvenue chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Never for you. And this way.
That was really, really cool. It felt so realistic. The 3D was amazing, but it did make me a little bit motion sick because it was just so realistic. I can't. I really don't know how well the camera picked it up. I'm gonna try and ride again. Endpoint. Turn my glasses. Right back into line to ride it again. It has a 20-minute wait this time. I don't think I'll be able to fit another ride in my like little hour window, but I'm excited to ride it twice. Entering from this side this time. Those lights up there are very reflective with my camera. Ah, there's the silhouette. We're walking by the window. There's the ride vehicle. Nope, that's the next person. Here's our ride vehicle. Got a prickly mouse this time, or rat. I'm not going to record the ride this time since I already did. I'm just going to enjoy it. I want to show how we go from the massive squares to the little squares. So we go from rat size back to human size. It's a subtle difference, but it's so cute.
All right, time for my honest review. It was a great ride. I really enjoyed riding it both times. It did make me a little bit motion sick, but it's amazing how the ride vehicles make you feel like you're scampering on all fours like you're a rat. It was a great 3D, like phenomenal. It looks so realistic. So if you get motion sick, just be able to wear a little bit, but it's definitely worth it. Show some of the details of this fountain. We've got little Chef Remy at the top and all the wine bottles. This is super cute. Let's go see about this merchandise. Got a little booth set up. All right, we have these adorable Remy ears and these light up cheese necklaces. That's so cute. So the cheese necklaces are $15.96. Let's see about these Remy ears. $29.99. Not bad, not bad. They've got some Remy plushies for $30. They've got this little cheese, little mouse that's so cute for $25. Oh, this is the one that scurries on you. This is so cute. Now this hat is super cute. You can see Remy inside of it, and it opens up and Remy will peek out. We've got a cool ring that I definitely recommend riding this ride as soon as you can. It opens October 1st, and I will be back October 1st to try to ride it then and to enjoy the rest of the Food and Wine Festival as the rest of the booths open then. And it's the 50th anniversary, so I'm going to try and hit up all 4 parks. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and stay magical.
P.S. before I leave, the booths that were supposed to be opening October 1st are open now. Yeah, they're all open now. I spoke to one of the cast members who said they should be open every day. It's a surprise. I did not record my reaction to any of those or any food reviews because I will be back October 1st for that, and I'm with my family.